We stand on the brink of a technological revolution that will fundamentally alter the way we live, work, and relate to one another. These were the words of Klaus Schwab, the founder of the World Economic Forum, and they couldn't be more true. In the grand tapestry of human history, we find ourselves at a unique intersection, a crossroads where our innate creativity meets the awe-inspiring power of artificial intelligence. It's a meeting of minds, if you will, the human mind with all its brilliance and unpredictability, and the AI mind with its precision, speed, and limitless potential. Theodore Levitt, a renowned economist, once said, "Creativity is thinking up new things, innovation is doing new things." But what happens when we start to blur the lines between thinking and doing? What happens when we harness the power of AI to not just assist, but to collaborate, to co-create, to innovate? This is not just about AI taking over tasks or making our lives easier. It's about AI becoming a partner in our creative journey, a bridge that connects our wildest ideas to unprecedented realities. Picture a world where AI is the canvas and the brush, the instrument and the orchestra, the pen and the paper. It's a world where the only limit is our imagination. Creativity, after all, is not a solitary endeavor. It's a dance, a symphony, a conversation. It's the interplay of different ideas, perspectives and experiences. And now we're inviting AI to join the conversation, to add its own unique voice to the mix. But this doesn't mean that AI is replacing us. On the contrary, it's amplifying us, pushing us to think bigger, dream bolder, and create like never before. So let's pause for a moment and ask ourselves, what if the greatest tool at our disposal is one that expands the canvas of our creativity, rather than merely easing the burden of our tasks? It's not just a question. It's an invitation to explore, to experiment, and to embrace the infinite possibilities that lie at the intersection of human and AI. Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. These profound words by Edgar Degas encapsulate the essence of art, a conduit for human expression, a mirror to our thoughts, emotions and experiences. But what happens when the artist's brush is guided not by a human hand, but by a coded algorithm? Welcome to the art world in the age of algorithms, where artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a collaborator, a co-creator. Here the canvas is limitless, the palette infinite, and the brushstrokes are dictated by lines of code. Take, for instance, the AI painting exhibitions that are making waves across the globe. These are not just random splatters of digital paint, but intricate compositions meticulously put together by algorithms that have studied countless works of art, learning and mimicking the styles of the masters. They create novel pieces that are eerily similar to human-made art, yet distinctly different, offering a fresh perspective that only a non-human intelligence could provide. Then there are the digital art platforms that are democratizing the art world, harnessing the power of AI to bring art to the masses. These platforms use AI to generate unique, personalized art pieces, allowing anyone with an internet connection to become a virtual Picasso or a digital Dali. But this brave new world of AI artistry is not without its philosophical dilemmas. As AI starts to create, we are forced to grapple with existential questions. Can a machine, devoid of human experiences and emotions, create art that resonates with the human soul? Can an AI that generates a beautiful painting or a poignant poem truly be considered creative? Theodore Levitt once said, "Creativity is thinking up new things, innovation is doing new things." If we see AI as a tool that we've created, then perhaps its ability to generate art is just an extension of our own creativity. After all, the algorithms that guide the AI were designed by human minds, drawing from our collective knowledge and creativity. So is an AI that creates truly creative? Or is it merely an extension of our own creativity? As we stand on the cusp of this technological revolution, the answer to these questions might shape the future of art and creativity. But regardless of whether we consider AI to be truly creative or not, one thing is clear. The art world is transforming, and AI is at the heart of this transformation. As we continue to explore this new frontier, one can't help but wonder what new forms of art will emerge from this marriage of human and machine. What new perspectives will we gain when we view the world not just through the human lens, but also through the lens of an AI? Is an AI that creates truly creative, or is it an extension of our own creativity? As we delve deeper into this age of algorithms, only time will tell, but one thing is certain, the canvas of our creativity has just gotten a whole lot bigger. Music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination, and charm and gaiety to life and to everything. These wise words from Plato echo through the ages, whispering the timeless importance of music. And in this modern era, we're witnessing a symphony of a different sort. A symphony conducted not only by human hands, but also by artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where machines sing, not with the metallic grind of gears, but with the melodious strum of a guitar, the soulful blow of a trumpet, the graceful sweep of a violin bow. This is not some far-off fantasy, but a reality we're living in right now. The music industry, an arena of human creativity and emotion, is being disrupted and perhaps even enhanced by the advent of AI. From composition to production, AI is striking a chord in every aspect of music making. It's not just about automating the process, but about enhancing and expanding the creative possibilities. AI programs can analyze vast amounts of music data, learning the nuances of rhythm, melody, and harmony. They can then generate new compositions, creating a kind of music that is both familiar and utterly unique. But what does this mean for musicians? How are they reacting to this technological interloper in their creative realm? Many might expect resistance, a rejection of the machine in favor of the human touch. But the reality is far more harmonious. Musicians are embracing AI not as a rival, but as a collaborator. Testimonials from these artists reveal a fascinating perspective. They speak of AI as a tool that pushes boundaries and sparks inspiration. It throws out unexpected melodies and harmonies, challenging them to think outside their usual creative boxes. They describe how AI can take a simple chord progression and turn it into a symphony, or how it can generate a melody that might have taken hours of trial and error to discover. Yet amid all this technological marvel, there's a question that hangs in the air like an unresolved chord. Can a machine truly be creative? Can it feel the emotional ebb and flow of a melody? The joy and sorrow that music can evoke? The answer perhaps lies not in the machine, but in us. We are the ones who listen, who feel, who find meaning in the notes and chords. As Edgar Degas once said, "Art is not what you see, but what you make others see." Maybe the same can be said of music. The future of music lies in the harmony between human and AI. It's a duet between the emotional depth of human creativity and the limitless capacity of AI. It's a melody that's being written right now, in real time, as we continue to explore the incredible potential of generative AI. And as this melody unfolds, it promises to be a song like no other, a song that could only be composed in the age of machines. The future of music lies in the harmony between human and AI. Opening. The role of a writer is not to say what we all can say, but what we are unable to say. This profound insight from the diarist and essayist Anais Nin frames our exploration into the intersection of literature, journalism, and artificial intelligence. In the realm of words, AI is not only assisting, but also generating. Today we find AI writing tools that are revolutionizing the literary and journalistic spheres, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. We're seeing the emergence of AI-assisted scriptwriting, where artificial intelligence aids in crafting compelling narratives, structuring plot lines, and even shaping characters. Imagine being a screenwriter, sitting in front of your laptop, and instead of staring at a blank screen, you're brainstorming with an AI, bouncing ideas back and forth, and watching as it suggests intriguing plot twists or character arcs. The AI becomes a creative partner, an extension of your imagination, and together you bring stories to life. In the realm of poetry, AI is making strides as well. Poems generated by AI are not just strings of words, but meaningful and evocative compositions. They can mimic the style of classic poets or develop their unique voice, experimenting with rhythm, meter, and metaphor in ways that challenge our traditional notions of poetry. And let's not forget journalism. AI is not only assisting reporters in researching and fact-checking, but also writing articles themselves. In fact, you've probably read an AI-generated news article without even realizing it. AI can analyze data, identify trends, and write a concise, factual report in a fraction of the time it would take a human journalist. But does this mean that AI is replacing the writer? Not at all. AI is a tool, a powerful one indeed, but it doesn't possess the human experiences, emotions, and insights that are the essence of great writing. Instead, AI can free writers from mundane tasks, giving them more time to focus on the creative aspects of their work. It can provide new perspectives, suggest fresh ideas, and even challenge writers to push their creative limits. We're living in a time when AI is making the impossible possible. It's enabling us to write the unwritten, to tell stories that were untold, to express what we were unable to say. But as we embrace this new technology, we must remember that it's not about replacing the human element, but enhancing it. It's about using AI to unlock our full creative potential, to explore new territories in the vast landscape of human imagination. In this new era, the pen is not just in our hands, but also in the circuits of an AI. And as we write together, we're not only creating literature and journalism, but we're also crafting the narrative of our future. A future where human and AI collaborate in a symphony of creativity. Closing. With AI, the pen is mightier than ever before. The future is already here. It's just not very evenly distributed. These words from William Gibson, a visionary science fiction author, resonate deeply in our current era of exponential technological growth. Generative AI, a technology that was once confined to the realm of science fiction, is now a reality, transforming not just art, music, and literature, but also fields like fashion design, architecture, and marketing. Imagine a world where fashion designers collaborate with AI to create trend-defying designs. The designer inputs their vision, and the AI, with its knowledge of emerging trends, materials, and sustainability issues, generates a prototype. This fusion of human creativity and AI's computational prowess can usher in a new era of sustainable and innovative fashion. In the realm of architecture, AI's ability to quickly process vast amounts of data can lead to designs that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also energy efficient and sustainable. Architects can input their initial concepts, and the AI, armed with data on climate, geography, and building materials, can generate designs that are both beautiful and environmentally friendly. Marketing, a field where understanding consumer behavior is key, can also greatly benefit from generative AI. AI tools can analyze consumer data and generate marketing strategies tailored to individual preferences, thereby making marketing campaigns more effective and personalized. Yet as we stand on the precipice of this exciting new frontier, it's important to consider the philosophical implications of these advancements. As AI takes on more creative roles, we must grapple with questions about the nature of creativity itself. Is creativity an inherently human quality, or can it be replicated and even surpassed by machines? And as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, how will it impact our relationships with each other and with the world around us? These are complex questions with no easy answers. But one thing is clear. As we move forward, we must strive to use AI not just as a tool to enhance our own creativity, but as a partner in our creative endeavors. This approach, one that values collaboration over competition, has the potential to lead to innovations that are beyond our wildest imaginations. Generative AI is not just about creating art, music, or literature. It's about harnessing the power of technology to push the boundaries of what's possible, to solve complex problems, and to create a future that is sustainable, inclusive, and inspiring. This is the power of generative AI. It's not just about what AI can do, it's about what we can do together with AI. As we explore this brave new world of boundless creativity, we must remember to approach it with a sense of curiosity, openness, and wonder. For it's in this spirit of exploration and discovery that we can truly harness the power of generative AI and make the future a place of infinite possibilities. Generative AI is reshaping our world, one design at a time. Let's embark on this journey together and see where our collective imagination takes us. You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. As we usher in this new era of artificial intelligence, we've journeyed through the realms of art, music, literature, and beyond. We've seen how algorithms paint, compose, write, and design, not as mere tools, but as partners in our creative endeavors. We've witnessed a transformation that's not just about easing our tasks, but about expanding the canvas of our creativity. We stand on the cusp of a creative leap forward where our greatest tool is one that enhances our imagination and where the line between human and machine creativity blurs. The future, as it seems, is already here, but it's just beginning to unfold. Join us in exploring this brave new world of boundless creativity. Subscribe for more content that will stretch the limits of your imagination.